drowning in online shopping payment choices. Today, we're diving deep into Klarna versus PayPal, dissecting interest rates, credit limits, merchant fees, and dispute resolution to crown a champion for your wallet. First, interest rates. Klarna often lures you in with buy now, pay later options that can accrue significant interest if not managed carefully. PayPal, when linked to your bank account or debit card, generally charges no interest on purchases made directly. Next, credit limits. Klarna's buying power is tied to your creditworthiness and purchase history, affecting how much you can spend. PayPal's limit depends on your funding source or bank balance or the available credit on your linked card. Merchant fees are crucial for businesses. Klarna typically charges merchants higher transaction fees compared to PayPal. PayPal's fees vary, but can be lower, especially for established businesses with high transaction volumes. Finally, dispute resolution. Both Klarna and PayPal offer buyer protection, but their processes differ. PayPal often has a quicker, more established system for resolving disputes. Klarna's process, while improving, can sometimes take longer to navigate. So, which reigns supreme? If you need flexible payment options and are comfortable with potentially higher interest, Klarna might work, but for straightforward transactions, established dispute resolution, and potentially lower merchant fees, PayPal is often the smarter choice. Choose wisely.